Well, lovely. The journey has been lovely. With each different age group, I got to do different things. I started off with films. Then, when I was getting in between my, childhood and teenage, that phase where I was neither a child nor a grown-up woman, I got to do a lot of theatre. Then I graduated to television because television had just started back then. And then back to films again, and now with the new digital media, it's nice to explore different platforms. I had produced a show called Arohan for DD way back in 93, 94. And it was a show which was based on the first batch of women that passed out of the Indian Naval Academy. So I'd written the script, I produced the show, I acted in it. And from there on, this kick to produce your own, material kind of set in, because it's only when you're producing that you're being able to tell your own stories.
Right.
So then then I met Vivek, and between the two of us, we did a lot of shows. Like we did Saturday Suspense, we did X Zone for Z. We produced a couple of films for Z. Chocolate was one of the films which we made, in which I played the lawyer, which was later played by Anil Kapoor on screen. And there was this lady who saw this film on TV, and she was very impressed with it, and she said, I want to make this for the big screen. And that's how Chocolate got made, and that's how it became Vivek's first film. Certainly, because you're not answerable to anyone.
Right.
No one is sitting on your head asking you to follow a particular storyline or a kind of look which has to be for a kind of an audience. Here you actually can do what you want. And I think this is probably the only place where you can really let your creative juices run. And we've been, Easy Hai, this series, it came out of nothing. We were just sitting down discussing one day about how society is so jargon riddled, and everyone gets scared when they hear jargons, because a lot of us don't want to go down that road. Kya re, apne ko pata nahi hai, kaya jaye us gali mein. And it's not really hard, it's very simple. If somebody just explains it in few simple words, everything can be simplified and everything can be understood. All the concepts are basically, there to help us. Vivek got into a debate with a few of his, fellow Twitterati, whatever they are called. And there was this discussion going on about simplifying concepts. So a couple of them challenged him. So between Vivek and his friend Rahul Roshan, who runs Faking News, both of them said that, okay, we take up the challenge. And Rahul overnight wrote the script. And he sent it to Vivek. And Vivek forwarded the script to me, and he just said, see what he's written. And I found it so beautiful that something as complicated as GST, because एक तो लोगों को tax समझ में नहीं आता. I draw a big zero when it comes to taxation. If I don't have a CA in my life, I don't think I'll be able to return my files properly. And I really don't understand what happens in that department also. To add to it, there was GST, and I said, oh my God, what is this now? But when I read the script, I said, this is not a piece of cake, this is a piece of chocolate. And it has to, people have to see this. So the next morning when we read the script, I was so excited. I said, we have to shoot this today. And we shot it the very same day, edited it overnight, and the next day it was on air. So that's how it started basically. And then we went on to do Surgical Strikes, and now it's, what we can do to avoid black money. We don't, the world does actually, whatever is happening around us is what we need to show. And also this has to be this is topical, so we have to be very fast. If we sit down over any topic thinking too much, ki kaise kare, kya kare, by then you have a new problem in the society again. So we have to really be very fast about it. But there are some brilliant people all around, us, and we have to very quickly sit down, ideate, and give them the direction in which we want to talk. So the thought has to be, there has to be a thought. In times of demonetization, I really don't want to talk about what is demonetization. Everybody knows about it. I also didn't want to tell people कि tax कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. Oh, tomorrow maybe we come up with a transactional tax, because it's all, you really don't know what's going to happen. But what can be done right now? Two small little things that we can do, and we can make a lot of difference. And I thought this is something that even the common person needs to understand, because a lot of people that we come across, like my Kaam Wali Bai, she doesn't have a bank account. Right. I've been paying her cash every month. This time I asked her, I said, can I give you check? And she says, मेरा तो नहीं है account, मेरे मर्द का account है. So I said, I'll give it in his name. And she says, no, I want to be financially independent. I said, let's go to the bank and open your account then. Now that poor thing doesn't have an Aadhaar card. Right. So first we have to get the Aadhaar done, and then we have to go to the bank. But I thought I'm going to do this, because this needs to be done. She needs to be educated. So that's exactly what we can do. And once we knew where our thoughts need to go, then the scripts, kind of fall in place. Overwhelming. I mean, GST was my first brush with, YouTube as such. And the kind of response that we got, it went viral like overnight. And I got so many calls from people who were completely lost from my life, saying that, we saw this and it was a brilliantly written script. And then the same happened during surgical strikes also, and now the same thing is happening. So it's just wonderful. I mean, I'm so overwhelmed by the response and by the power of social media, Like in one moment you can reach across to millions of people, which is scary. And sorry?
Were you expecting that, like being in digital fashion?
No, not really.
Okay.
I guess I also evolved with the medium. Let's see what is being thrown our way.
Nothing has been planned.
As I told you, it's topical, so you can't really plan it in advance. Though we have done a couple of films, broadly speaking, on Article 370 and surge pricing, but we'll be able to release it only when those topics are trending and people really want to know about them. Otherwise, these things, tend to get lost. Yes and no.
Okay.
I mean, as an actor, as somebody belonging to the profession of films, in any capacity, actor, director, producer, feedback is most important to us.
Okay.
So, in a way, I'm glad that there is ample opportunity for us to get the feedback, good or bad, because we need to take the brickbats also with, people who give us a pat on the back, because only then we'll be able to grow. But yes, I mean, there are, everything comes in a package, I mean, I can't just say that, oh, I love it for the response, but I don't like the trolls. Of course you'll get trolls, and why not?
Yeah.
I mean, every single medium comes with its own, challenges. So this is just one of them, but I don't take it very personally, or I don't let it get me down. My friend Renuka Shane gets trolled almost every day on social network. But we look at it as, I mean, these are the times that we live in, so this is going to happen.